What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing Animal Royale. I haven't played it that much, but as you can see, I unlocked the dog and unlocked the bow tie, but they're not really good. Um, I Alright, let's start playing. So far, yeah, Animal Royale. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do in my next video. Anyways, let's start. What is it? I don't know what I should play. Solo duos, squads, or the Walking Dead. The Walking Dead is like so hard, and I want to play it. So retarded for doing this, but whatever. 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 Anyways, yeah. Alright, as we wait. Gonna assassinate you, bro. Alright, I'm gonna screw up, bro. Screw up. The blocking, there's a Waldo dead. They made it so you can't take damage each other in the Walking Dead. Because, like, you know, like, you want to survive against the zombies. And also, the Walking Dead, you have squads. I'm not sure if you can attack in the Walking Dead like other people, because there's squads in here. But what's the point of squads? Like, is it just meant to be like, oh, this is your team, like, or something? Or like, because if you can't attack each other, like, then what's the point of a team in the first place? Like, in my opinion, what's the point of a team if you don't even like attack others? You can't even hit others in the first place, like, legit. But how am I meant to, like, can I play this or something? Oh, it's a gun, it's a gun. Oh, let's go, but let me river. But I wanna play that, Let me play full time and come on. I'm shooting everywhere. Alright, give me a damn gun. Alright. I wanna grab it. Alright. Do. The dog gun? What does it do? But it really does nothing. Alright. Get this one! Yeah, but I'm winning already, bro. I'm so trash, bro. I'm winning, bro. This game is so easy, bro. Far out. Right, bro. Security alert, the clocks are spreading. Avoid all zombie joes and wait for the evacuation. May Bonaparte have mercy on all of us. Alright. I don't even know who Bonaparte is, but whatever. Alright. Those guys just stole everything. I hate you. Alright, I'm gonna take the summary. Thank you, bro. Thanks for all your Robux. Hey, yo, some more Robux? Nah, I didn't steal any Robux. What do you mean? Give me a damn gun. Alright, let's go. You don't steal my damn gun, bro. Get the Obusaka out. Alright, get the Obusaka out. Like, you ain't getting my gun today, yeah? Yeah, it's not the same gun. No, it's a different gun. Alright. Far out my throat, bro. Alright, bro. What? Where? Why do I keep on saying bro? Like, nothing's actually just starting to get weird now. Bro. Far out, bro. I just said it again. Far out. Yeah, we can hit each other anyway, so like, it doesn't matter. And I'm pretty sure if it was a zombie apocalypse, everyone will be teaming up, you know, because it's far out. What does this do? An egg cannon? What the? It's not eggs? What is this? The Mecha Eggzilla or something, bro? No, but this is the most best weapon in the game. What do you mean? It's an egg. It's an egg launcher. It's a giant cooked egg launcher. It shoots out cooked eggs. I don't know what's the point of that, but yeah, it's a damn egg launcher. Alright, don't ask questions. All you need to know is that it's an egg launcher. Alright, do not ask any questions. Alright, but I haven't seen any Bwonkings yet. Maybe like it starts. No, what did it? I had to talk, didn't I? I had to say something. They start to get like really hard, bro. Like legit, they'll actually like start tearing us apart. Don't. Yeah, I need the animator. Like, but I actually had to start talking. Like, I had to talk. Oh, I thought it was another Bwonking, bro. I was like, I don't see any Bwonkings. 2 seconds later, there's one coming after me. Far out, bro. Alright, where are the rest? Is there any others? I swear to God, I see like 5 of them chasing those guys. I'm like, nah, see ya. See ya. Yeah, see heaven, yeah? Like, I swear, bro. Is there any Bwonkings, bro? Like, stay here, stay here. Stay here, because if we go out, we're dead. Alright? Like, I don't think you get it, but we're dead. Like, we're dead if we go out there. We're dead. We're not dead, we're dead. We're not dead because, like, we turn to a zombie once we... Oh! It's like a regular chicken. Alright. For a second, I thought it was a Bwonking. I was like, what the hell was it? Bwonking with a gun? But no, it's like a guy with chicken skin. What? Is that a Bwonking down there? Hey, yo, but it's so secret. Like, I could literally. This is even me walking. It's just like my character's slippering. Slippering. What? Slippering. Slippering is a word now? Oh, wait. Oh, there's a Bwonking. There's a Bwonking right there. Okay. Alright. The Bwonkings are coming. The Bwonkings are coming. Right, it's like Plants vs Zombies. The Bwonkings are coming. No! The Bwonking! You killed Choo-Choo. Alright, I got 2 kills. Alright. The Bwonkings are coming. Bro, it's some Plants vs Zombies bullshit, bro. Alright, are these guys, bro? No! A Bwonking attacking someone! Oh. See how much damage that? No, it didn't take that much damage off. I think it was like nothing emotional. You're infected with the cocoon. No, I was infected. No, I was infected. Far out. Bro, you're gonna die. No, you did. You did. I'm gonna infect every single guy in this game. Every player actually. Well, I'm not saying every guy. I'm assuming everyone's a guy, huh? The Bwonking are coming. I'm a Bwonking, bro. I'm gonna turn you into a Bwonking, bro. Come on, Bwonking, bro. Double Bwonking, bro. Yeah, I can't find any more of this guy. I wish I could pick up a gun or something and just go. Alright. Super stunk gas advancing. What? I don't even know, bro. Alright, the Bwonkings are coming. What's that? Bro, it's little like. No! The Bwonkings will end you. The Bwonkings will end you. We will end you. Alright, we will. I'm not lying. We will end you. Alright, Mr. Bwonkings. No, we are Bwonkings. Bro, how do you infect people? I got infected. I don't know how you infect people though. Like, you just scratched them? The survivors were all able to escape. Oh, bro, I was so close to escaping. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we got that super dog DNA, that. Alright, pretty good stuff, not bad, not bad. Oh, level 6 now. Alright, level 6 and a half. Alright. Alright, I went up a level, let's go. I have super dog thing, so we'll go after super wog. I'll call him super wog. He's not super dog, he's actually super wog, if you didn't know. I'm gonna use magnet on super dog. Let's go. 5? Wow, bro, such a mad. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later. See you next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to do in the next video. Get like goal of 10, and I'll try to make another one of these videos. Actually, I'll like goal of 5. I'll like goal of 5. Yeah, I'll try to make another one of these videos. And see you later. I'll grind for Super Dog. Alright, so hopefully in the next video I'll have Super Dog, and see you later. Bye.